in uh, Bakso Aziz. We eat lunch with I lunch with my parents. So now I'm with my father. We want to talk about our tradition in our house.
Well, in our family, we always spare time together watching TV in the evening, have dinner together, and always we recite Quran after Maghrib. A lot of things we do in the weekend, during the weekend, such as going around family, maybe going to shopping malls, going to relatives' house, occasional sports, and so on.
And I will ask to you, what did we always eat in dinner when we dinner in anything? And then what's your favorite dinner?
Well, I like to have rice with eggs and tofu, fried tofu, and vegetables, as well as chili sauce. Without chili sauce, the menu is not complete because I like it a lot.
Oh, so well, your favorite food like Western food?
Well, I once I lived in the U.S. Of course, I had to adapt with the local food there. Then since then I get used to with the Western food like pizza or sausages and what else, sandwiches and so on.
Do you like cheese mozzarella or something like that?
I like it.
With bread.
I like it, but not too much.
Why don't too much?
I like it, but I don't like it too much because I like rice better than mozzarella or pizza.
Oh well. So when you live in America, what's your favorite drink or favorite restaurant you visit when you still live in America?
When I was in the U.S., we used to go to Golden Corral. It was a buffet, and it was like an all-you-can-eat restaurant. And lots of menu offered there. So I think it's one of the favorite restaurants I used to visit when I was in the U.S. When I was in Turkey, I visited many restaurants as well. Like when I was in Europe, some countries I went to in France, for example. I went to many local restaurants. Especially when I was in Africa, in West Africa, I visited numerous local restaurants with their unique food taste.
Okay, well, so when you lived in America, not have a lot mosque for prayer. So how do you pray Jumat in America?
Luckily, yes. I was living in U.S. Air Force Base in the U.S. and on the base they provide a mosque for all students, international students. So inside the base, I mean the U.S. Air Force Base in Lackland, in Texas, they provide a building that can be used by all international students, to Muslim students to to pray there, including family prayers and Friday prayers. So I was lucky enough because we had that chance to pray there. I was in the US.
Okay, so well, maybe in America have a little mosque. That's not be challenge for you to pray to Allah.
Well, yes, small number of mosques in the US could be a challenge for Muslims there, but for me, I can pray everywhere I can because in the US, practicing religious faith is free, and we can do it as long as it doesn't disturb the local or the public services. And yes, of course, it is a challenge for many, but really, I could do it myself. Even once I prayed on the bus because we couldn't stop on the way to somewhere around. We couldn't stop in the middle of the way
Why you couldn't stop for prayer in the bus?
because it was I didn't know the route.
Oh,
And then because I would just follow the bus and we had no choice, and then I decided to pray on the bus.
okay. Maybe that's all first experience for you in America.
Yes, it's my experience.
Where do you live in America?
When I was in the US, I lived in Lackland Air Force Base.
Lackland
It was
Air Force.
situated in San Antonio, Texas.
Maybe that's a military area or not?
Yes, of course. It was military. It's a military area. It is an Air Force base.
Oh, so guys, that's all military areas, U.S. Army Force. Okay. In the night, what is your tradition in the night? What is your tradition in the night?
Well,
After you pray in your room in military complex.
after prayer at night, what I used to do, I studied. I prepared my paper because when I was there, it was on the occasion of attending a military training. Of course,
For example, military training.
yes, I was attending advanced English instructor course in the US. That's why in the evening
Running?
I
Study.
studied and did my homework assignments and lots of projects because as an advanced military instructor, we had to be well prepared for everything that we are going to teach, or everything we are going to present to our students, our friends, our instructors at the time. So of course, most of nights I studied and prepared my material.
So how much you spend your money in one day usually?
I spend like $10 a day.
$10.
Yes, because
What did you buy with $10?
Actually, meals were provided by the US Air Force.
Oh,
I didn't buy any meals. $10 usually I spend for buying like coffee or snack. But for meals sometimes we cook ourselves, or it was provided by the institution.
what did you cook in your room?
Sometimes I cook soup, I cook noodles.
Noodles, Indomie noodles.
Yes,
Where did you
Indomie.
buy Indomie noodles in
I brought
Europe?
I brought it from Indonesia, but then I found it as well in the US in local restaurant, in a local shop, and I bought it there with different price, a bit expensive than
expensive,
here.
expensive. The size same or not?
The same.
Same. Oh, still small, guys. Size Indomie in Europe. So we have to love Indonesian product in Europe. We have to support Indonesian product for our country, for our economy. And also, sorry because my hair is not diligent, not not neat. I'm sorry because I'm still sick today. I just now back to hospital. And also I'm so sorry. Yeah, my styles like this because we just now medical checkups in one of hospital in Indonesia, in Palembang. So okay, the last you can say goodbye to our friends.
I hope this video will be beneficial for many, and I wish you all a very good night. Bye.
My mother. Bye. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.